speaking, no, something like that, no. So ituloy mo lang because you are this, no, mga Libra natin, no, you are meant to be leader, no, something like that, or you are this leader to some people na maraming sumusunod sa inyo, maraming nagfa-follow sa inyo, you are the speaker, no, something like that, no. So ang nakikita ko rito, no, ang message sa'yo ni universe is continue what you are doing, no, something like that, no. Be proud of yourself also, no, mga Libra natin. So yeah, that's it for you, mga Libra, no. So I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, no, mga Libra natin. So yeah, God bless you all and thank you for watching, Libra. So yeah, let's continue, no, with you, Aquarius. So kamusta kayo dyan, mga Aquarius natin, no? So let's see anong energy ng mga Aquarius natin. So kuha tayo ng one card here for you, Aquarius. Anong meron sa mga Aquarius natin right now? Let's see. Kamusta kayo dyan, mga Aquarius natin? Nagugulo yung cards ninyo. So yeah, kamusta ang mga Aquarius natin right now? Let's see. So you have this, no, clockwork pumpkin. So wait lang, ayusin ko lang to. So you have this clockwork pumpkin, a wonderful idea, the aha moment, no. So for some of you, no, literally, no, parang you are controlling the time, no, something like that, no. So maraming ideas ang pumapasok sa inyo, no. You are really working hard, no, for some of you, mga Aquarius natin, no, parang there is really a breakthrough, no, something, a good breakthrough idea, no, whatever it is, na biglang pumasok sa isip nyo at parang nagbago, no, all of a sudden, no, with a clock, no, parang sabihin natin, no, biglang umikot pabalik yung clock at you are now this ready to do whatever it is, no, na nasa isip ninyo, na biglang nagkaroon kayo ng idea na ito pala, gagawin ko na to, no, something like that, na parang ngayon bumabagal yung oras, no, dahil parang sabihin natin, no, nagkakaroon kasi kayo ng time for this, no, whatever it is na ginagawa nyo ngayon, no, mga Aquarius natin, no, parang umaayon sa inyo yung panahon, no, something like that. So maybe ang sinasabi rin dito, no, you are embodying with this energy and that you are being guided to this, no, something like that, no, mga Aquarius natin, no. So mahirap man tong pinagdadaanan mo or itong mga gagawin mo, no, but I think this is really worth of your